Are you ready to open the doors of financial freedom in 2023? Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, famous American businessman and legendary investor. Kiyosaki says he has invested heavily in Bitcoin in recent years. In this video, we will talk about 5 investment assets that can help your financial freedom. These assets will reshape your financial future and put you at the forefront of the financial world. If you are ready, let's get started. Number 1. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are one of the most talked about investment tools of the last decade. It changes the balances and systems of the world by upsetting all financial systems. It can do it faster by simplifying the difficult and expensive jobs that banks do. Robert Kiyosaki announced that he has bought Bitcoin in recent years. Kiyosaki said that the value of Bitcoin is even higher and will continue to rise. As an investment tool, Bitcoin continues to be a favorite of investors. Besides Bitcoin, there are many large and functional cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Litecoin, BCH. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not as easy as it seems because the cryptocurrency market makes much more volatile and harsh movements compared to other financial markets. In the cryptocurrency market, prices can suddenly rise and fall. This frightens most investors because they don't want to see their hard-earned balances suddenly cut in half. Despite these hard movements, the cryptocurrency market is a market that can make a lot of profit. These cryptocurrencies are preferred and bought by many. Number 2, intellectual property. Leveraging the power of your ideas and turning it into money is a great idea, according to Kiyosaki. Creative ideas, copyrights, patents, licensing. These are all things that can translate into huge return potentials through sales and make you money. Intellectual property can lead you to financial freedom by providing passive income streams in the long run. Remember, in the age of technology and information we live in, muscle strength is not worth that much. The important thing is the power of knowledge and idea. If you have a solid idea and have the knowledge to turn that idea into money, no obstacle can stand in your way. Number 3, peer-to-peer lending. It is a method that will benefit both the investor and the borrower. These peer-to-peer lending platforms have facilitated and transformed the access to finance for all businesses, large or small, and individual investors. According to Kiyosaki, peer-to-peer lending offers great advantages to both investors and borrowers. This method provides links between the borrower and the lender and excludes intermediaries. Thus, investors can provide higher potential returns and avoid paying extra money to intermediaries. Number 4, dividend stocks. Many large and successful investors like Robert Kiyosaki have long preferred dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are suitable for both investors who want to generate passive income and those who want to diversify their investment portfolio and reduce risks. The great thing about dividend stocks is that they act as passive income, providing their investors with a consistent and steady stream of income. If you have found a company that can grow and develop in the future, focusing on that will lead you to financial freedom. So you can think of dividend stocks as a safe passive income source. Of course, you should also calculate your risks. Number 5, gold. According to Kiyosaki, gold is a timeless and almost always safe investment tool. Gold has been valuable for thousands of years, and it seems that thousands of years from now, gold will be very valuable. Gold was preferred by big investors even when wars multiplied in the world, when viruses swept all over the world, and even when there was economic chaos. I hope that the information I have presented to you has been useful to you and contributes to your financial freedom. Subscribe to my channel for more informative content and like the video. Thanks for watching.